Hello Gucci's team and welcome back to my channel. Today I share with you pepper turkey recipe. You are going to really love it. So in this recipe is a very different way on how to make your pepper turkey, okay? Remember I have other type of ways you can make your pepper turkey recipe on my channel, but trust me, I twisted this. I went to another special way. This is 5-star hotel way of making your pepper turkey, and if you go about your method this way, you are really going to enjoy your Christmas turkey. Your friends and loved ones will always visit because of the way you make your meal. So this is a recipe you would like to know how to make. Just get a bottle of drink or water, sit down and let me show you how you will make this for your Christmas occasion. If you have been following me on this channel, you will know that I like to pre-boil my protein just to get rid of fats and all of those bad stuffs from the protein. Because here in America, you don't know how long they have the protein in the store. This is the best method, guys, trust me. And you know turkey has a lot of fat, so parboiling it will help you get rid of all of the fat. This is what lemon and lime also help you to do. Lemon and lime will help to reduce the fat. You don't want to take too much fat. So this is the reason why I always use lemon and lime. If I don't have lime, I use lemon. So if you don't have lemon, you can use lime also. Okay. So I'll let it parboil for 10 minutes. You can also use vinegar, salt and water to soak it for a couple of hours, but I like to parboil it even though, okay, for like 15 minutes, 10 minutes should be okay. All right, so I'm going to be using a lot of garlic for this recipe because this is garlic recipe. I have all the herbs right here. I also discovered I didn't have onion at home, so I decided to make it a garlic recipe since I have garlic in the house. So you can choose to do this and get your delicious meal prepared, okay? Let's blend. I have my turkey right in the pot and I have some turkey sauce which I already made from the previous turkey. So I'm going to cook all of this together, add my bay leaf, add my rosemary. Go in with your onion flakes. This is my ginger powder. Go ahead and add if you have. If not, that's okay. Add your curry. Add your garlic powder. Add your adobo seasoning. Add your Goya seasoning. Here is my herbs. Go in with your herbs if you have herbs. Look at all those beautiful stuffs. Add it in. This is another special way you can marinate your protein. Trust me, it's going to give you a delicious outcome by the time you use this. Go in with your Maggi seasoning. In the marinade, I have some cloves, I have cardamom, I have anista, I have jizanga, and I have enough black pepper, and I have some cloves. I have spring onion, I have ginger, I have garlic. Remember to add your onion if you have onion. I didn't have onion and that's why I didn't add. If you don't have onion, you can substitute with ginger and garlic or spring onion. That is also very delicious. So I added this water because I have broth underneath already. Boiling my turkeys. I just want to show you the things to add when you have gone ahead to do it this way. If you choose to go ahead to do it this way, that's the best way. Another beautiful way you can do it. Mix everything together. I need all those broths to make my rice come out healthy. It will make my rice taste delicious. All of those juice, I need them. So if you don't need them, that's fine. It's a very good idea for you. You can also make a lot of this meat broths and store it in your freezer. So anytime you want to cook jollof rice or whatever kind of rice, you can just bring them out and use them. So we're going to allow it to cook. Here I have the first batch. Okay, 2 sets are already in. These ones are cut. I'm going to allow it to bring them out. It's ready. Just make sure you bring them out like so you can be able to grill them without any stress. So I'm going to keep bringing them out until I'm done. I just want to show you, okay? You just have to be very gentle when you're doing this so you don't hurt yourself in the kitchen, especially if you have little children around. So just use your sieve, use your spoon like this, bring it out. Alright, I'm going to bring them out until everything is done. So this one is coming nicely. You can see the color is giving the color. It's giving that gold brown. Oh yeah, it's coming nicely. Let's get our peppers ready. So I'm going to go ahead now and clean all my peppers. I'm using tomatoes, I'm using tatashe, I'm using shombo also, okay, for my peppered turkey. Alright, and a lot of garlic. Remember, I have a lot of garlic here, which is part of the ingredients for this recipe. I'll just go ahead and clean all these peppers nicely, blend everything together. Alright, with my spring onion. I'm going to be using all of this garlic, ginger, and a lot of spring onion because today I discovered I didn't have onion. I didn't know that, my onion is finished, so I'm going to be using garlic and all of those herbs. So these are all the peppers nicely cleaned. I'm going to set it aside so we can start making our stew proper. So I'm going to be using the same pot. I'll be adding my olive oil. You can use your preferred choice. I'm using extra virgin olive oil, okay? Just a little bit. Remember, your turkey has oil. You can use onion, you can use garlic. I'm going to go in with my garlic. Remember, I'm using garlic for this recipe. So you can use onion if you have. I don't have onion. I decided to use garlic for this recipe. For everything I'm doing here, I'm using garlic. Blend, blend, blend. I'm actually crushing it, you see? I'm crushing it. Just crush them. That's what you need for your turkey recipe. Just crush it. For your pepper turkey, you need to just crush your peppers. See how beautiful. That's how you want it to look. Trust me, you will get the best result. So here's our garlic. Add it like so. Go in with your herbs. Go in with some turkey broth. Go in with some seasoning. These two seasonings are my top-notch seasonings. Goya seasoning and adobo seasoning, they are very good. Go and look it up. Go in with some onion flakes. Onion flakes is beautiful. Stir everything together. Remember, it is called peppered turkey. You don't need too much groundnut oil. You do not. You do not want to eat oil. Just a little oil. We do the magic. Alright? Don't add too much oil. Sauce for our turkey. Alright? This is it. It's ready. We're going to add it to our turkey. So our turkey is ready. I allowed it to cool down so we can start garnishing with our sauce. This is how you want to go about your turkey. Sometimes you want to cook it very well. Let all those seasoning get into your turkey. Honestly speaking, this is a very beautiful way you can go with your turkey recipe. And trust me, you are going to really enjoy it. Look at how beautiful the turkey is looking. It's well cooked, properly prepped. Like, Everything about this turkey came out so delicious. I'll always tell you in this kitchen, there are ways you go about prepping your food that will make your food come out fantastic. And if you're one person that is so particular about your meals, honestly, you will want to go about your turkey this method because you will really enjoy it. Guys, this turkey sauce is top notch. It came out so delicious. I can eat this turkey sauce with goat meat, like goat meat asun. It is so delicious. This is so beautiful, guys. Look at this sauce. Look at how yummy. Look at how yummy. This is how you want to prepare your turkey sauce. You can even do your goat meat asun the same way. This is peppered turkey, and this peppered turkey is honestly the best, if I would say. Yeah, so garnish your turkey in this manner and set it in your show glass. Trust me, this peppered turkey will bring you more customers. Isn't this gorgeous? This is a very yummy recipe you want to try for this Christmas. Try it for your friends and family members. They are really going to love it, especially for your husband. Your husband and his friends, they can just stay around and wine and dine with this peppered turkey with some amazing juice on their table. Yes, and it's so beautiful. I hope you want to give this a try. If you have watched this video to this moment, I would really love for you to give me a massive thumbs up. Share this video to your friends and loved ones. And please stay tuned for more interesting recipes for this Christmas. Love you all. Ciao, ciao.